Yesterday I washed the Mercedes, and the goal for today is to do the jambs and to do the wheels and maybe get on to waxing. And I had wanted to do something, I don't know, if not something of a review of Chemical Guys. I guess this is the VO7. And I like to use it in the door jambs. It doesn't leave any water spots, or if there are water spots already, then it lifts those and just gives it a nice shine. And not much more to say. I don't know. I just like the way it performs. So anyways, I left a door for you to see. Yes, my mats are dirty. I mean, the car's been drove a few times since the last time I vacuumed it. I will have that taken care of before I take it out to Cars and Coffee. That's the goal anyways, to go to Cars and Coffee. So I just run it over all the areas. Like I said, I'm not sure how it performs on maybe a really filthy jam. These are, you know, they've been up, they were already wiped down when we got the car. Oops, I probably can't see that. It was already, they were already taken care of, and then I kept up on them since. So that's another place that I could revisit. Sorry. I could revisit to see how this works also after, you know, a car that's dirtier.